an all-you-can-eat Japanese, and apparently they're also serving like Korean food as well. So excited to be back. Okay, we're back here now. Social distancing is still in effect, so not all tables are occupied. So if it's market X, you cannot occupy those tables. Now he's choosing what to get. Okay, you want to get shrimp tempura?
Shrimp tempura. Hold on.
So we just placed our order and we're very excited to get them. Hi! Say hi, Mr. Handsome! We got our orders. This is Firefly, this is Golden Boy, and this is
Sushi.
Alaska. It's sushi. Yay! That sashimi. I haven't had sashimi in a long time, especially as part of an all-you-can-eat. However, it's not really all-you-can-eat. There's a limit of 12 per person. We got the other part of our order. This is the AGEDASHI tofu, and this is the popcorn chip.
Popcorn.
Can you try the salmon? I love it. Looks so good. We should definitely order more of that. This is sashimi. Tofu. You can finish this. Oops, that wasn't the AGEDASHI tofu. This is the AGEDASHI tofu.
This is tofu.
And this is mushroom and shrimp. Oh, did you order mushroom tempura? That's mushroom tempura and shrimp tempura. So good. Their shrimp tempura is really so good. So that was the last roll that we ordered. It is deep fried. So far, really enjoying this. This one is so good. The AGEDASHI tofu and also this firefly. This one is the spicy YAKI udon. Looks so good. The appetizers came last and the sushi first. This is the buttered mushrooms. Do you like it?
Yeah, like
Which ones are your favorite?
is this the Golden Boy?
No, this is not Golden Boy. This is Firefly.
What?
The first one? This is Firefly.
Firefly, the best.
And what else?
Of course, the yakisoba.
Spicy
Yaki
YAKI udon. What else?
Tofu.
The AGEDASHI tofu. So my favorites among the one that we ordered is the Firefly. So it has shrimp tempura, cucumber, an avocado roll with torched salmon on top, and house sauce. I also love this salmon and tuna sashimi. I also love the AGEDASHI tofu. It's a lightly battered tofu with green onions and ginger soy sauce. That's really very good. What else? Those are my favorites. I love how here at Mooshiro they actually have a very extensive menu for their all-you-can-eat. They do have like soups and salads, tempura, appetizers, teppanyaki, various rolls, vegetarian rolls, temaki, nigiri sushi. sashimi, fresh fish.
I don't think the ice cream will be so.
Yeah. And I think they also have ice cream. So I think we're doing a round 2 of order, but I think it's just gonna be sashimi this time. Oh my gosh, I'm so full right now. Are you full?
That's a lot of food.
A lot of what?
Food.
Oh, I thought poo.
Well, later it's gonna be a lot of food.
Oops. That is so good. So the sushi rolls, they're so big and so compact and so flavorful. Can I get in here?
So much.
Thank you. So this is round 2 of our order. 6 more of the salmon sashimi and the regular tuna sashimi. I'm so full right now. We just finished everything. No leftovers at all. And hey, let me have the last piece of the salmon sashimi. So sweet. So ice cream is part of the all-you-can-eat dinner. And the last 2 that we have is this 2 scoops of vanilla that we have. It's really hard, so I'm excited. My favorite here, actually, they had the green tea the last time, right?
No, strawberry chocolate.
Oh, just that one? Where did I have the green tea?
I don't know.
Okay, oops, not here. That was a really great dinner. Thank you so much, hon, for the date.
From side to side.